Create website for your business, free on yahisahi.com. If you make it by yourself, it is free, and it is very easy. Step 1. Just sign up with your email ID in 30 seconds. And step 2. Create business and its website with few information in another 30 seconds. You can decide how your consumer can communicate with you. Either you want leads, appointments, or want your customer to buy your product or service. Sections covered by website are 1. Intro Section 2, Gallery Section 3, Video Section 4, Product Service Catalog, Sell Products Online, 5, Features Section 6, About Us 7, Statistics Section 8, Contact Us section with Google Map 9, Testimonials 10. You can create unlimited business under one email ID account. After creating business, you can upload images by your choice, edit information very easily. Highlights. 1. No need of domain name. Also note, we do not provide domain name. 2. Website and its link is free for lifetime. 3. Unlimited storage, and most important 4. Create catalog by adding products or services so that people can buy it, give order, and so on. Your customer is searching you on net, so be authentic. To get more trust, ask your existing customers to give testimonials to your website, give ranking to your products or services. Spread link of your website with WhatsApp, FB, Insta, visiting cards, pamphlets, and using any marketing materials. For more facilities, check out our price list. Get more business with your website. Be ahead of the competition.